हेलो फ्रेंड, जैसे कि मैंने आपसे बोला था कि मैं 35 important क्वेश्चन फॉर द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन फॉर केमिकल एंड आयनिक इक्विलिब्रियम आपके लिए लेके आऊँगा। और इन्हीं क्वेश्चन के साथ हम मैं आज लेके आया हूँ। और इन 35 क्वेश्चन को हम एक साथ न लेकर के इसको दो भागों में डिवाइड किया है। और आज हम फर्स्ट केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम पढ़ेंगे और जो सेकंड वीडियो रहेगी वो मेरी पूरी आयनिक इक्विलिब्रियम बेस पे रहेगी। Please, it's my request everyone you watch it full and it will help you. ये वीडियो जो है सारे टाइप के एग्जाम के लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगी, चाहे आप नीट दे रहे हो, आईआईटी दे रहे हो, या लेक्चरर एग्जाम, या कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम दे रहे हैं, या एलटी का एग्जाम क्यों मैं दे रहा हूँ साइंस का, तो ये सब में आपके लिए हेल्प करेगा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या कहता है कि फॉर द रिएक्शन CO plus Cl2 रिवर्सिबल CO Cl2 गैसेस Kp ratio Kc is equal to how much? So whenever they are relation between the Kp and Kc, everyone know that ki Kp is equal to Kc into RT की power delta n. So what is the delta n? Delta n is equal to number of products, number of moles in product, number of moles in product minus number of moles in reactant, number of moles in reactant. So now in this one, you see what you will get delta n, number of moles in product. How many gaseous? Here 1 moles. Minus number of moles in a gaseous. All are in the same phase. 1, 2 mole. So it will equal to minus 1. So you put the value Kp is equal to Kc and RT ki power minus 1. Now you are finding out Kp ratio Kc equal to RT ki power minus 1. How can you write? 1 upon RT. So what is your answer? C option is the correct. Come to the next question. Twice and to given that all are the equilibrium equations, and here the K values are given. The equilibrium constant K values is given for each reaction. So then he is asking which oxide of nitrogen is most stable. So you remember that lower the value of equilibrium constant यानी कि K implies higher the stability of reactant. Higher the stability of reactant. So now if you understand this terms, so which one lower the value of K? K value is lower for which one? This one. 10 to power 16 is the lowest value, and it means its reactant is most stable. So then it is NO2. So your answer is B, correct. Come to next question. In a reaction A plus 2B gives to 2C, 2 mole of A and 3 mole of B and 2 mole of C are placed in a 2-liter flask. So what is saying? A plus B 2B gives to reversible 2C. And what is saying? The initial mole of A is 2, B is 3, and C is 2. Are placed in a 2-liter flask. So they are the mole and volume as given the 2 liter, then divided by 2. So you will get 1, 1.5, and again 1. So now after that, what is saying? Flask, and the equilibrium constant of C is equilibrium concentration of C is itna. So what is given? It's given the equilibrium concentration now it is 0.5. So you remember here, this is the important line here. If the equilibrium concentration of product is decreasing, it means the equilibrium concentration of reactant should be increased. So now how much it will be? It is decreasing 1 to 0.5 at equilibrium. I am saying. So it will be 1.5 plus 0.5 because it is decreasing, and now it is 2 by 2 1, so 1 plus 0.5. So you will get at equilibrium this is 1.5, and this will the concentration of B is 2, and concentration of C is 0.5. This is the, so now after the you note that Kc, you are finding the K, so C square upon A concentration into B concentration का square. So K equal to C value 0.5 square upon A concentration is now 1.5 का square, 1.5 only, and B concentration is 2 and 2 square. So now how much it will be? 1.5 means 0.5 means 1 by 2, 1 by 2 का square 1 by 4 upon 1.5 means 3 by 2 into 2 to the 4, okay, upon 1. So how much you will get? 2 upon 3 into 4 into 4, 2 to the 4, 3 by 2. Concentration of A. ठीक है, okay, you will get 1 upon 24. If you are going to divide it, you will get approximately 0.026. You see the calculation here, it may be correct. Okay, now this is answer is D. Come to next question. At equilibrium, 9.2 gram of N2O4 is taken in a closed 1 liter vessel and heated till to the following equilibrium is reached. N2O4 reversible twice NO2. At equilibrium, 50% of N2O4 gas is dissociated. What is the equilibrium concentration in a mole per liter? Molar weight of N2O4 is this. So now how you will do here? N2O4 reversible twice NO2. First of all, you calculate the concentration. So gram weight upon molecular mass, and molecular mass is given 92 and gram weight is given itna 9.2. So you will get 0.1 and initially it will be 0. So now after that it's saying कि 50% alpha is equal to 50% means alpha is equal to 50% means alpha is equal to 50% dissociated of this. So initial concentration it will dissociated the 50% of, so 0.1 by 50 means half, so 0.05 it is dissociated. So how much it form? 2 into 0.05 and it remaining 0.1 minus 0.05. So now after Kc is equal to how much you will get? Kc is equal to concentration of product, and it will get 0.1 square upon this one is 0.05. It means 0.01 upon 0.05. 1 upon 5 means 0.2. So your answer is B, correct. Come to the next one. Consider the reaction Kp is equal to ethanol at a 500 degrees centigrade in the following gas is the mix in the rigid container so that the partial pressure of each gas is initially 1 atm, which is true. Now see what is the question is saying. If PCl5 is reversible to the PCl3 plus Cl2. So now you know that QP here. If the KP is given, so it means if the question is the base on a QP. So QP is equal to P of PCl3 into P of PCl2 upon P of PCl5. So now what is saying? Initial pressure was 1 atm. Each gas initially was 1 atm. So 1 into 1 upon 1 equal to 1 atm. So now here the Kp value is given. Kp is equal to 0.497. So now if the Qp is greater than to Kp, Qp is greater than to Kp, it means equilibrium goes to backward direction. What is mean? कि PCl5 will be formed. PCl5 will be, it means PCl5 will form. Okay, if Kp is greater, then equilibrium shift to the product side. If both are in equilibrium, so it will be in equilibrium exist. Okay, now your answer is A. Come to the next. For a reaction C plus CO2, this is the solid, CO2 gas plus gas. Kp is equal to 63 atm at 100 Kelvin. If the equilibrium of PCO is equal to 10 PaCO2, then the total pressure of the gases at equilibrium is, what is the pressure? So now first you write the equation. C, this is the solid, plus CO2 gives to twice CO. So now what is the Kp here? Kp is equal to P of CO2 square upon P of CO, not CO2, this is CO, upon CO2. Now here Kp is given for this one is equal to 63. 63 equal to P of CO square upon P of CO2, means P of CO square is equal to 63 into P of CO2. Now second one thing, therefore here given is that P of CO is equal to 10 of PCO2. Now you can put this value here. Okay, yeah, you can say that P of CO2 is equal to PCO upon 10. Anything you can put. So P CO square is equal to 63 into P of CO2, that is equal to P of CO upon 10 again. P of CO, 1 P of CO cancel out, so that equal to P of CO is equal to 63 upon 10 equal to 6.3. This is then total pressure. Then it's asking for the total pressure. So total pressure is equal to P total is equal to P of CO plus P of CO2. Okay, now here if P of CO is equal to 6.3, so then P of CO2 equal to how much? P of CO2 equal to CO 6.3 upon 10 is equal to 0.63. So now PCO is equal to 6.3 plus 0.63. Now it is 6.93. This is ATM. Your answer. B answer is correct. Come to next. At the equilibrium of the reaction 2x plus y gives to x to y, the number of moles of x to y at the equilibrium is affected by the temperature and pressure. So now how it is affected? So first of all, you see here what is happening. Key 2 of x plus y gives to x to y. Now here the gas molecule number of moles are decreases. Now you see 2, 1, 3, 3 converted into 1. So it means free randomness decreases. Free randomness decreases. It means if the free randomness is decreases, this means delta S is equal to negative. Second point, if the 3 mole changing into the 1 mole, it means here pressure is also effective. If pressure also effective. Second thing, in the you know that if the free randomness is decreases, then reaction is exothermic nature. Exothermic means delta S is equal to negative. So if the reaction is exothermic nature, so temperature also affected. Temperature effect. Okay, so now here we have calculated effect of temperature and effect of pressure. Okay, here the catalysts are not written here, so we will say that temperature and pressure. Now come to the next one, question number. Consider reaction equilibrium. Ice converted into water minus 2 kilocalorie. So what is this? Minus means it is endothermic or exothermic. If it is the ice, reversible, water minus 2 kilocalorie. So it is a endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. So it means whenever we are going to convert this one, we require a high temperature. High temperature. So high temperature is here. So it is not answer. It is not a high temperature is here. ठीक है ना? Next thing, either C is the correct answer, either D answer. ठीक है? Here you see the greater volume change into the lesser volume. Greater volume is changed into the lesser volume. So it means pressure is also high. It means pressure is also pressure or axis na ice. So answer is D. Correct. Come to the next question. N2O4 gives to twice NO2 here. N2O4 dissociated in total pressure P1 and total pressure with then ratio of. So N2O4 it will dissociate into twice NO2. Clear? 20% dissociation. Okay. Once. Now, initially you take A molecule. Okay. This one will be 0. Now it will form 2A alpha. It will A minus alpha. Clear? So now total moles at equilibrium. This is equilibrium. Total mole at equilibrium equal to A minus alpha minus A alpha. Sorry, A minus A alpha. This is A minus A alpha plus 2A alpha. So equal to total A plus 2A, sorry, A alpha again. So you take a common, A common, so 1 plus alpha it will be remaining. So now here, the total pressure on P of N2O4 is equal to equilibrium moles upon total mole. Okay, A common 1 minus alpha upon total mole, A into 1 plus alpha, A will cancel, and similarly P of NO2 is equal to 2A alpha upon A into 1 minus alpha, A and A cancel, then 2 alpha upon 1 minus alpha. This is the pressure. Okay, and if you are going to total pressure, then you multiply by P also. Clear? So then Kp you will get product P of itna. So yani ki you will get directly 4 alpha square upon 1 minus alpha square into this you will get Kp here. So now here after that it's saying ki N2O4 10% dissociate, that time total pressure will be a P1. When alpha is equal to 10% means alpha is equal to 0.1. That time pressure is P1. Okay, so that time Kp is equal to how much? Put the value of 0.1. So 0.01 you will multiply it and you will get 0.04 and neglect this. Okay, into P1. Second one same. If it is dissociated into 20%, so you will get 0.16 into P2. So what is saying? Then ratio of P1 and P2, if both are equal, so then this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. If both are equal, Kp and Kp, so 0.04 P1 is equal to 0.16 P2. So P1 upon P2 is equal to 0.16 upon 0.04 equal to 4/1. यानी कि option number D is correct answer. Come to the next one, question number 10. What is the unit of Kp in this one? All are then a guess. Kp unit, first you calculate. Kp is equal to P of CH4 into P of H2S square upon P of CS2 into P of H2 की power 4. Okay, now this one is ATM and total power is 3, and here ATM total power is 5. This is the ATM. Okay, so now you will get ATM power minus 2. ATM power minus 2. B answer is correct. Come to the next. SOCl2, SO2Cl2 gives to SO2 plus. What is the temperature at which Kp upon Kc is equal to 3? Okay. Now question is, SO2Cl2 gives to SO2 plus Cl2. In this one, delta N is equal to how much? 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So Kp is equal to Kc into RT के power delta N, or delta N is equal to 1. So Kp upon Kc is equal to Kp upon Kc is equal to RT. Okay, and this value is given as 3. So then you can say that 3 is equal to R into T. So you are going to find out what is the temperature. So temperature is equal to 3 upon R, and R value is equal to 3 upon 0.0821. 82. So you will get answer. This is dividing, then approximately 36.54 Kelvin. This is your answer. This is an important question. Come to next. When the sulfur is heated at a temperature T, at equilibrium, the pressure of S2 will fall by 30% from 1 atm. What is saying? First thing is, you remember S8 giving to S2. First you balance it for. Initially what it was the 1 atm and it was the 0. And then this is a 4 alpha. This one is 1 minus alpha. Okay. After that it's saying ki the pressure of S2 is fall by 30%. What is the meaning? Alpha is equal to 30%. 30% means 30 upon 100, and 0.3%. 3 alpha value. So this will be the 4 into 0.3 is equal to 1.2. It is 0.7 will remain. 1 minus 0.3. So then Kp is equal to how much? Yeah, you can say that here you need to find out Kp. Directly you write P of itna, yani ki product upon reactant, direct 4 alpha power 4 upon 1 minus alpha. You can see that. So Kp is equal to 4 alpha is equal to 1.2 to the power 4 upon 0.7. 1.44 into 1.44 upon 0.7. We will get approximately 14 2, then 2.96x approximate. Your answer is A. Come to the next one. This is again important question. A plus B reversible C plus D. If initially the concentration of A and B are both equal. What is saying? A plus B reversible C plus D. It's saying ki initially both are equal. I am saying ki both are AA and it is 0, 0. Both are equal, but at equilibrium the concentration of D will be the twice. What is the concentration? I am saying ki it is a X. It will X, so it will be A minus X. It will be again A minus X. Now question is that it is a equilibrium condition. Now question is that D will be the twice of A. D will be the twice of A. Yani ki concentration of D is equal to twice of concentration of A. So D is equal to X. 2 into A values A minus X. So X is equal to 2A minus 2X. Here 3X is equal to 2A. So X is equal to 2 by 3A. This is the value of X. Now you are going to find out equilibrium. तो then the equilibrium constant, तो K is equal to कितना, concentration of C into concentration of D upon concentration of A into concentration of B. So now you will get C is equal to X is equal to 2 upon 3A into 2 upon 3A, D also same, upon A minus X, A minus X, A minus 2 by 3 of A into A minus 2 by 3 of A. So it's equal to 4A square upon 9 total upon 3 1 जा 3, 3 minus 2, A by 3, so A square upon 9. So 9 cancel, A square cancel, you will get 4. So what is the equilibrium constant? That is 4. Come to next. A catalyst increase the rate of reaction by. A catalyst increase the rate of reaction by. देखो, increase the activation energy of the reaction. क्या वो activation energy? Never. Activation energy को तो क्या करता है? Compound activation energy को कोई भी हाथ नहीं लगाता. क्या increase the enthalpy of the change in the reaction? No. Decrease the enthalpy of enthalpy को कभी भी ये decrease नहीं कर सकता और ना ही increase the activation. तो ये क्या करेगा? केबल और केबल किस पे इफेक्ट डालेगा? रेट कांस्टेंट पे. ठीक है ना? ये तो सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, इसको एक्सप्लेन करने की ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं. कम टू द नेक्स्ट 15 क्वेश्चन. H2 plus CO2 gives in the if the initial concentration H2 equal to CO2 and x mole per liter of hydrogen consume at the equilibrium, the correct expression of Kp निकालना है. H2 plus CO2 gives reversible CO plus. Initial concentration of both are equal. I am taking 1 1 1 0 0. Okay. Then after the equilibrium, x mole liter of hydrogen are consumed. It means x and x are formed. Consume means so 1 minus x remaining and 1 minus x remaining. So now here we need to find out the value of Kp. So this is here all are the gases state. So delta n is equal to कितना? Product mole upon reactant mole. When delta n is equal to 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So now you know that Kp is equal to Kc into RT की power delta n. So Kp is equal to Kc because delta n is equal to 0. You will get Kp is equal to Kc. So now if you get the Kp is equal to Kc, then same here. So Kc is equal to x square upon 1 minus x का whole square. You now calculate directly. Product concentration this H2 upon H2 into 1 minus x यानी कि 1 minus x square and this is x square. So what is your answer? That is A. Come to the next question. AB3 is dissociated into this. AB3 dissociated into AB2 plus 1 by 2 of B2. What is when the initial pressure of AB2 is 800? Initial pressure was 800. You take a 0 0 and total pressure double up 900 of. So now it may be x, so it is 1 by 2x it form, and it is x, it will be a 800 minus x. So total pressure is sum of pressure. Total pressure equal to 900. Equilibrium at equilibrium is given. So now 800 minus x plus 1 by 2x is equal to 900. So x will x cancel out. So you will get 1 by 2x is equal to 100. So x is equal to 200. So now after that develop the equilibrium. What fraction of AB3 is dissociated? So it was asking the fraction in the percentage. So what is the decreasing? 200. So total change 200 upon what was the initial 800 into in the percentage it will be a multiply by 100. So 2 4 is 8. This will cut 25 percentage. If it is asked in the fraction, so 1 by 4, so 0.5. So 25% your answer. Come to the next. The number of moles of H2 equilibrium will be increased. This is first This is the delta is exothermic reaction. So it means temperature is required, but here is the temperature is not given. So now the number of moles of H2 at equilibrium will be increased. We need to increase the moles of H2. So what the volume is increases. 1 minute wait. Volume is decreases. The number of moles H2 at equilibrium will be increases. If volume no, if we decrease the volume, how will the moles? Okay. If NH3 is removed, no. If the energy, so how it is formed? Argon gas, no. Constant volume पे. So what is your answer? Volume is increases. Please, this is the conceptual base. Please go through the Le principle. Come to the next. The conversion of ozone into oxygen is exothermic reaction. If it is an exothermic reaction, so it means temperature should be low. Temperature low होना चाहिए. So, sir, first of all, you see low temperature, high temperature, both the cancel. Okay. Now, under what condition ozone is most stable? We are making the reactant, not the product. So, if we needed high pressure or a low pressure in these two conditions. Now, you think it, if we are taking the high pressure, so number of mole where the come, then it will come to this side. If we take a low pressure, so at a low pressure, the gas goes to that direction where the number of moles are more. So at a low pressure, it will goes to thrice O2, means it is unstable. If the pressure increases, then number of moles, the equilibrium shift toward the where the number of moles is less. So your answer is C. You understand, all of you? Now come to the next. Densities of the diamond graphite are itna. First thing here, again, delta H value is a negative. Delta H value means, what is the mean? Exothermic. So we need a low temperature. Low temperature, high temperature, exothermic reaction, low temperature. Okay. Low temperature here and low temperature is here. First thing. So this one and this one will not the answer. Now, after that, the diamond converted into the graphite. Diamond high density to the low density. So it means we required low density means density is low. So we required the low pressure. We required the low pressure. So your answer is D. It is the most important question. Come to the next. The temperature at which Kc and Kp will have the same value for the equilibrium. Most important this one also. So here N2O4 reversible twice NO. So delta N is equal to how much? 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So Kp is equal to Kc into RT की power delta 1 यानी कि 1. So what is saying, at what temperature Kp and Kc will be a same value at the equilibrium. Okay, temperature you are need to find when the Kp and Kc are equal. So if Kp and Kc are equal, Kp upon Kc is equal to RT. So that means RT is equal to 1. So you need to find out temperature. So temperature is equal to 1 upon R. So T is equal to 1 upon R means 0.0821. So if you are going to find out, you will get 12.81 Kelvin. This is your answer. This is again a most important question. The answer. Thank you everyone for watching it, and I hope all of you like this video and all of you subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.